What's a picture these hoes stalking me? Send this to y'all group chat. Y'all can't fuck with me.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel. It's me, Mera, and I post every Sunday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's video, I'll be doing a brown look for y'all. I really hope you guys enjoy. Before we get into the video, make sure that y'all subscribing, make sure that y'all turn your notifications on, make sure that y'all commenting, and if y'all want to see how I do my eyebrows, the video comment. I don't know which one I'm gonna post first, but if I do post it first, I'm gonna have it right at the top, and if I don't post it, then first I'm gonna go in with this dark ashy brown, and I'm just gonna pack that into my crease.
Child. Anyway, so
next I'm going to take my second shade and I'm going to pack that on my lid as well, and I'm going to put it above the brown but also on the brown. I'm going to tap it in, and then when I feel like I got it where I want it, I'm going to end up blending it out. Next, I'm going to take the gold highlight out of my Morphe contour palette in the shade AR, and I'm just going to put that on top of that brown that I put on my lid. I'm attempting to do a liner, but I'm going to go off camera and make it bigger. I love it. Look at these lashes.
Her lashes is so pretty.
Y'all see me talking. That's what I'm talking to. Hold on. It's me, Mariah. Yeah. And what about it? Now I'm moisturizing with my Nivea Creme, and then I'll be going in with my Kiss primer. I'm taking my foundation and I'll be spraying my brush with some of my satin spray, and I'll be putting that on my face. So I'm taking the black OPAL foundation in the shade AU Chocolate, and I'll be using it as my highlighter today because I did feel like my other concealers was just too bright, and this actually goes well with my foundation and it gives me the look that I've been looking for. Now I'm contouring with my Morphe contour stick in the shade Effect 18, and I'm just adding it to the sides. I'm gonna add it to my forehead, my nose, you know, all that good stuff. Yo, my camera came unplugged And I thought it was about to be a problem. Yeah, I undid it again and the camera went off. But Canon was about to get an email from me. Okay, but we'll be back in action. Oh, okay. Having one of those moments. I'm having one of those moments. Yeah. So now I'm taking my setting spray by Urban Decay in Ultra Matte. I don't know why I sprayed it this close to my face. I was distracted because I was on the phone. Like, there's no way I should have sprayed it like that. Now I'm just blending. I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm blending that contour out and my foundation, my highlight and all that type of stuff. I had to take, yeah, look at the edges. Get the back together. I had to take off my scarf so I can get my forehead. So now I'm taking my black radiance setting powder in the shade Honeymoon, and off camera I did go in with the shade Banana, because at first I used to just use Banana. Banana was way too light for me, so now I just mixed the two up and I get my perfect shade. Siri, play Location by, I don't know. Send me the location. This year about vacation. If you send me the location, I'll be right there.
Ciao. Anyway, so
now I'm just lining my lower lash line with the same shades that I put on my lid. And that little pad thing that I got actually come in handy. It reduces the fallout, and I don't have to touch my face and ruin my face to get under my eyes. And then I'm going to be taking my contour palette, I'm taking my highlight, and I'm just adding that to my inner ducts. Now I'm using these two contour shades out of my Morphe contour palette, and I'm just adding that anywhere that I added the cream contour. Now I'm just tapping in that setting powder while also brushing any excess out. Now I'm contouring my nose with the same colors that I put on my face. So right here I used the beauty blender that I was going to set with, so it had setting powder on it. I meant to use my other one, but but now I'm just blending everything in. Y'all, I'm so sorry if y'all can hear my background. The people across the street building that house up. I mean, it's always something, very much something. Every time I'm trying to do a voiceover, it's just always something. Now I'm going in with those three colors that I just showed y'all, and I'm bronzing. I'm putting blush on, I'm bronzing, and I'm highlighting. So now I'm lining my lips, but I can't remember with what, but always look down in the description box when I'm doing beauty videos, because everything's going to be listed down below. Send this to your group chat. You can't fuck with me. Period. Now I'm going in with my Morphe lipstick, and then I'll be going in with some hair store lip gloss. Oh wait, I'm going in with MAC, my bad. I don't know the names, but look down below. Everything down below for y'all in the description box. And yeah, then I'm going to be going in with the Hair Store lip gloss. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching me, and if you want to see more of me, then you need to subscribe, because what are you doing? What are you doing? I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.